Today I have this wood frame with the beads from Hobby Lobby for $8.99, and I picked it up with 50% off. And the top portion and the bottom wood portion just slides out. We're going to be working with Thankful Autumn today. This is redesigned by Prima. And it has a lot of cute fall prints, and it has 3 panels. I picked out this pumpkin spice and everything nice with the 2 little pumpkins. Now, the transfer comes on a bottom protective sheet and a top protective sheet. I removed the bottom, and then the way to remove the top is by rubbing with a tool. Every transfer comes with a stick. You can kind of see it to the left of my hand. But sometimes I do use this tool, which is an extra cost, which you can find at chalkitofancy.com if you're interested. And once your transfer's on, you want to rub with a cotton cloth. And this really just adheres your transfer to your project. I'm going to remove this little leaf and add it. Now, I'm not putting mine outside. I'm just going to be hanging it on my wall. This adhered very, very nicely. So I'm not even going to put a top coat on. But if you do need a top coat, you want to go with our 1 Hour Enamel by Wise Owl. That too can be found at chalkitofancy.com. Now, my beaded frame, I decided to paint with Dry Thyme, also by Wise Owl. It's probably one of my favorite greens. And I wanted to leave the beads natural. Once done, I took a 2-inch palm brush and some salve. And this can be used as a top coat over your paint. And it's basically apply and wipe off. Both the 2-inch palm brush and the salve can be found at chalkitofancy.com. And you can also use the salve to freshen up old wood or a stained finish, or you can use it on your pocketbooks or shoes. It has a lot of uses. It's all natural and made with essential oils. And now you have this cute little sign that says pumpkin spice and everything nice. Now, I took an artificial pumpkin, and out of my Thankful Autumn, I cut out a large flower. This is also the flower that's found in Sunflower Farms. You can find this at chalkitofancy.com as well. And this is a really good example where this tool comes in handy. If you see the grooves in this pumpkin and the different valleys, this tool just has a lot of different small flat edges, large flat edges, and corners that just really help with applying transfers on a non-conventional surface. But again, the transfers do come with a stick, and that does work great. But transfers can really take your artificial pumpkins or really any object and, bring it to the next level. And then I had this artificial gourd, and this says get cozy. And again, you're just going to rub and rub till your transfer adheres. And then you're going to rub it with a cloth. Then I added these little flowers that were also part of the transfer, one on the right and one on the left. We have other transfers to choose from. And this can be found at chalkatofancy.com. And for paint products, brushes, chalkatofancy.com. And you can also find our videos at YouTube or chalkatofancy.com. Thank you so much.